You slip a book into the Dropbox and it's gone. Have you ever wondered what these library Dropboxes look like after a whole weekend? Or what it takes to get your books back on the shelves? Our Kyle Warsbach takes us behind the scenes for a sneak peek on what really goes on behind the circulation desk.
Where we go and we empty out all the overnight books and get them checked in for patrons.
All right, so go ahead and show us.
Yeah, let's go and see this area.
So this is where all the books come in.
Yep, they slide down there and then they land into this box, which has actually got springs in it. So as it fills up, it goes lower and we don't get an overflow.
All right. So where do you take the books after they're disposed here?
Yeah, so we go and take the books out. We load them on a cart usually in the morning since we'll have so many of them. And we take them this way over to the check-in and check-out area. So most of the check-in and check-out process happens right here at the desk. We have our computer for checking in and out, and everything gets scanned on one of these RFID scanning pads to make it really fast for us to do what we need to do. So we check it all in, backdating it to the day before so that we know it gets over duties. And then after that, we pull up holds on these, which is basically for books going to other libraries or things that our patrons have requested to pick up later in the day. And that also happens on these computers. We pull up the list and then we go shelve them.
And I see a bunch of books over here. What happens to all these books?
So once a book has been officially checked in, we sort them on these carts depending on where they're going. So for instance, this cart is all going to go to nonfiction section, where you would go, load it up, put it all in order, and then we would go over to the shelves and we would shelve it.
So Aaron, now that we know more about the job, tell us a little bit more about what the job is actually like. The library, it seems like a very chill and relaxed place to work. Is there any real stressful moments here?
Mostly during summer reading. It's really hectic because we have so many people coming in and out. We can have up to 1,000 people if it's a program day, so it's pretty crazy and busy. It's a lot of fun and high energy, but it's a lot of managing multiple things at the same time, which can be tricky.
What are some of the biggest challenges about this job?
Definitely trying to juggle a couple things at the same time. You might be trying to answer the phone while you're still helping check out a person, and just figuring out how to manage the crowds, I think, would be the trickiest thing.
And tell us about your favorite part of the job.
Oh, that's definitely the people. The community that comes in here is just so friendly and wonderful to talk to. They'll come in and they're so excited to tell you about their dinosaur book that they want to check out if it's a little kid, or maybe it's someone telling you about their favorite author. It's just really great to get their enthusiasm and see that it kind of matches our own level here that we work, how much we love the library, that they love it too.
All right, well, this was Aaron Lutz from the circulation desk at the library. Aaron, thank you so much for joining us today. All right, I'm Kyle Warsbach with Shelby Township Living. Back to you, Kelly.